Porcelain and high-quality ceramic floor tiles are the most durable choices for laundry room floors because they resist moisture, impact, and frequent traffic. Porcelain tile is denser and less porous than standard ceramic, which makes it highly water-resistant and less likely to stain or crack under heavy loads. Choose tiles with a low water absorption rate and a PEI rating of at least 3 for moderate to heavy foot traffic and machine vibration. Look for a glazed surface with a high abrasion resistance rating to prevent wear and to make cleaning spills simple using a pH-neutral cleaner and warm water. Unglazed porcelain with a textured finish can give extra slip resistance while still handling moisture. Make sure the tile is rated and labeled for floor use rather than wall use, since wall tiles are often thinner and softer and will fail prematurely when used under appliances. Prioritize rectified edges if you want tighter grout joints for a cleaner look, but use a flexible polymer-modified thinset and a grout with a mildew-resistant additive to accommodate slight substrate movement and reduce water. Infiltration. For installation over concrete, use a moisture barrier primer or uncoupling membrane to prevent vapor transmission from causing adhesive failure. When installing over wood subfloors, add a cement backer board or an approved underlayment to create a stable, stiff base. Ask manufacturers about warranty terms related to floor use, moisture exposure, and commercial grade wear because explicit coverage will indicate confidence in the product and help you compare long-term performance. Common mistakes include using wall tile on the floor, which often leads to cracks and chipping because those tiles are not rated for load. Fix it by confirming the packaging or product specification lists floor use and the appropriate performance ratings. A second issue is inadequate subfloor preparation, which causes lippage or loose tiles. Avoid this by checking for level within 1/4 inch over 10 feet and installing a proper backer or membrane to eliminate flex and moisture. The third problem is choosing a smooth, glazed tile without considering slip resistance, which can be hazardous when the floor is wet. Remedy this by selecting a textured finish, matte glaze, or tiles with a rated coefficient of friction suitable for wet areas, and by using properly sealed grout to reduce slick surfaces. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and provide resources specific to projects like laundry room flooring. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where we share real experiences, installation tips, and contractor recommendations so we can help homeowners make informed choices and contractors find work.